Tired of generic email addresses that scream unprofessional? Let's ditch the gamela and get you a sleek, branded email address set up right inside Wix in just a few simple steps. First, head to your Wix dashboard and find email marketing on the left-hand menu. Next, look for the option to get a professional email or something similar. Click on that. You'll now be presented with options for connecting your domain. Make sure you've already connected your custom domain to your Wix site. If you have, select that domain. If not, you'll need to purchase a domain first. Now choose your email prefix. That's the part before the @ symbol. Think about what makes sense for your business. Common options include info@yourdomain.com, sales@yourdomain.com, or even your own name. Next, select a plan that fits your needs and budget. Wix offers different plans with varying storage and features, so compare them carefully. You can also set up email forwarding, so any emails sent to an alternative email address of your choosing will forward emails to your professional email. Finally, integrate your new email with your favorite email marketing service. This will allow you to easily manage all your customer correspondence and marketing campaigns from one place. And there you have it, a professional email address that enhances your brand and makes communication a breeze.